Hello to the Stealth Code and SEO Neo community. I wanted to talk to you all and introduce you to our amazing new feature, the Heatmap Scheduler. Heatmap Scheduling allows you to plan and automate the running of your heat maps in advance. This feature is especially useful when you need to schedule heat maps ahead of time, set them up while you're not actively using SEO Neo, or align your heat map checks with business hours. You can schedule individual heat maps or an entire heat map project using the Schedule hover button. When you click on Schedule button, a new window will open where you can set up your schedule for the selected heat map or project. The Schedule window has two main options: schedule once or create a repeating schedule. Schedule once lets you schedule your heat maps for different dates on a one-time basis. You can select different dates from the calendar and set a common time for all selected dates. All selected dates will appear on the right section. You can double-click any date to remove it, or you can use the clear button to remove all. If you use Schedule Repeat, SEO Neo will create a schedule task that will be repeated based on selected options. Schedule repeats have two options: repeat by days of the week or repeat by days of the month. In the first option, you can select which days of the week the heat map will run, just by selecting the days. You can of course select multiple days. In this example, we have selected to run heat map checks every Monday and Friday. The second option is to run heat maps on selected days for each month. Because some months have more or less days than other months, there are also options to select last days of each month automatically. On the right side section, you can find different options on selecting last days of the month. In our example, we have selected to run heat maps every 1st and 15th of the month, but also on the last day of the month. This way, you will not have to worry about how many days each month has. When you have set a schedule for a keyword or for an entire project, an icon will appear to indicate that you have set a schedule for it. To view all your scheduled heat maps, you can open the Scheduled Heat Map view by clicking on the icon from the Project section. From this view, you can find all scheduled heat maps sorted by date. On the left, there is a list with all projects that have at least one scheduled heat map. By clicking on this, SEO Neo will show you all scheduled keywords grouped by date. On each date card, you can also see how many credits all schedules within that day will consume. Repeating schedules are indicated with a recurring arrow on the right. To remove scheduling from heat maps, you can remove individual keyword heat map scheduling using the bin icon on the right side. You can also remove multiple schedules using the checkboxes. If you want to remove all schedules from an entire project, click on the Remove Scheduling button. This will remove all planned scheduling from selected project. That is the end of this video. For more information on how to schedule your heat maps, please read our documentation. You can find the link in the description below.